guys, welcome back to the Faithful Farmer Mama. So in today's episode, we're going to talk subscriptions. But before we get started, I'm going to ask you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell, which will allow you to get all notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Subscriptions. Do you have any subscriptions? I'm sure everybody has a magazine or two that comes every month. I have a few magazines that come, but I'm talking about those once a month subscriptions that come in a surprise box. It's like Christmas every single month. I get about 4 or 5, and today I'm going to talk to you about those. This is my God's Glory box. I'll leave the link down below so that you can get one for yourself. Every month I get this cute little note written by the girls who put it together, and they talk about the meals that are donated with the purchase of this box. On the back side, they always tell me a list of everything that's included and what company provided them. And then there are usually 2 coupons that you can share or purchase for your friends. What a great gift for someone. I generally will get a piece of jewelry. This month, I happen to get this really cute, if I can pick it up, anklet. It talks about God's love anchoring you on one side, and then there's an actual picture of the anchor on the other. It matches a necklace they had sent a couple months ago. There's generally a card that has a free ebook on there. This month, they included 2 adorable little I Love You signed by God postcards by Petunia Diaries. What a great addition to a February box. Think of the friends that you can just write a little I love you note to. Every other month, they tend to send a t-shirt, but I'm going to talk about this card first. It's just a card that has some other things for sale with some sale things. And then the t-shirt is so cute this month. I love the color. It says, "Hallelujah, all I have is Christ." It always has where you can find that in scripture, which is amazing. Our next subscription that I'm going to talk about is for the card maker. So once a month, I get this adorable paper pumpkin box from Stampin' Up. And what I think I love most about this particular box is that it not only comes once a month, it has almost everything you need to make cards from scratch, homemade. So we're going to go ahead and go through this. Every single box has tissue, and when you open, it's always such a nice surprise. You will receive stickers. These are glue dots that you can use to put your cards together. You always will receive a color ink. This is called a stamping spot. This is mint macaron. And it's usually sealed shut so that it stays really fresh and not dry out. You will always get a color that coordinates with all the papers. You also get a set of stamps for the box that you'll be able to use not only just for this box, but for other things as well. I love these. They're so cute. And then you receive the package full of card making material. Now in here, I just so happen to get these adorable little sequence flowers that already have glue on them. There is string. These are pop-up dots. And then there are other parts to this. So I'm going to go ahead and actually open this so that you can see them. This particular box is for, they're actually not cards. However, I always make them into cards because I don't do like the gift bags and tags, and these are little pouches, little envelope, and then these are little pouches that you would put like candy and stuff in, and you can't see the detail on these, but they're so cute. They actually are shiny. There you go. See the shimmer? They're so adorable. But they are actually pouches so that you can fill them with candy and stuff and then make tags. But I would actually go and make cards, and not necessarily these cards. There is a website edition that you can go on to Stampin' Up, but you can also go on Facebook. There's a great Paper Pumpkin group, and they share alternatives all the time because not everybody enjoys making the gift tags and the paper pouches like this. You only get those probably twice a year, so it's not all the time. But I love, like, these have they have all the cutouts for you. All you gotta do is punch them out and glue them, and they provide everything. The only thing they don't provide is a block for your stamps. These are acrylic stamps, so there's not an actual block. When you take these off to use them, you don't have a block to put them on. So that is our Stampin' Up pack. This is called the Paper Pumpkin. So the next subscription I'm going to talk about is also a card subscription. It is from Close to My Heart. The difference between the Close to My Heart card subscription and the Paper Pumpkin subscription is that this subscription comes once every quarter. So I get 4 of these a year, and when you first open, you will always see the pack of cards that are in here, and this month just so happens that there's a little bit of everything in here, which I think is wonderful. There's like a Mother's Day card and a thank you card and a Valentine's Day card, birthday cards, but there's enough to make 12 different types of cards right here in this one box. And also another difference is that with Paper Pumpkin, you do have to kind of go out and get your own things to add. With this one, everything is included. So we're going to go through it real quick. There's a sweet little note. Be your own kind of beautiful. This is a note from the owner of the company, founder and CEO of Close to My Heart. But the thing I love best about this is you could put this in a frame and so use this in like a daughter's bedroom or in a library, up on a shelf somewhere. This is so sweet. The other thing I love more about the Close to My Heart stuff is that it actually comes with a block for your acrylic stamps, and your acrylic stamps are not itty bitty. They're a full-size set of stamps. So if you notice, this is the Paper Pumpkin. It's only half of them, and the pieces are small. Like the Happy Valentine's Day here is really tiny compared to, say, this one. These are a full-size stamp. Love that. And there's something for everything. Birthday, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, just to say hello. You are loved. I'm here for you always. Thinking of you. Amazing, amazing addition that they're full size. So this month we have what we call shaker windows. They're kind of like sprinkles on top of a cupcake. So if you look right here, I know it's kind of hard because it's not focusing very well, but you can see that the heart here actually has, it looks like sprinkles inside of there. So that's what these are, and there's some round ones too in here, but they come with the tape that you need to put it on, and then all of the windows plus the foam dots to pop them up. Sorry, foam dots. So that's amazing. You get this adorable star confetti. This goes in your shaker boxes. It's a full pack of confetti. I'm sure there's more than enough of this to fill those. You also get a block, a stamp block, also sealed, and it does tell you what color it is. It's just plain black in this month's box. You get all of the cards and envelopes that go with it. There are small ones, and then there are the regular 4x6 size. And then you get all of the paper and cutouts. Let's see if I can open this for you. Paper and cutouts necessary to make all the cards. They are already a little bit cut to size so that you don't have to do as much cutting. So everything's kind of ready for you. See, this is a pop out, this is a heart, and how cute, because you can always use this on one thing and this on another. So it gives you more opportunity to use more things. And then this stamps, here's all the paper for every single card. Oops, I lost my heart there. There's all those. Look at this sweet little card. Oh, let's see, take that out. And then here it tells you what card it's for and what the die cuts are for. And these, you would just pop these out and use them on your card. Super, super sweet. I do like the idea of the Close to My Heart pack. Maybe a little bit more for the non-experienced card makers, because a lot of this stuff is already pre-done for you, whereas the paper pumpkin, it is more for those who have everything they need to do scrapbooking. So this is the Close to My Heart box. And then this is the paper pumpkin box. I'll leave both the links for those down below. Here's my next subscription. I get this every month from scrapbookingstore.com, and it is a scrapbook page that you can actually make. So I'm going to open this actually in front of y'all because I haven't opened it yet. So every month I get this package. It does have a list of everything that comes in it. It talks a little bit about what's inside, and it does tell you who made the paper line and what is actually enclosed. So this month there is actually a set from Cartabella, which Cartabella paper is some of my favorite paper. I love the colors in this, and how stinking cute are those flowers and wood tones, and even my little truck. Love the truck. But there are lots of different color papers, and then it actually shows you what's enclosed in here. And these are stickers that are in here, and then also papers of all different kinds, and I'll show you all of these. So there's the stickers and the paper. Oh, I love the papers. The papers are two-sided so that you can use either. Oh my goodness, y'all, I am in love. I am so ready for spring. Buffalo check, and then all different kinds of papers. This pack actually has card part pieces that you can cut out. You can use it as a card, or you can actually use them as title boxes on your pages. Oh my goodness, I love this paper. And then it also comes, they tend to stick it with some other things that match so that you can add to your pages. And this is from Bo Bunny, and these are just cutouts, and they're like butterflies and timepieces, and this says Mom on it. You can't see there, but that says Mom on there, or Bloom, excuse me, I thought it said Mom. It says Bloom, Early Bird. It kind of shows you on the back what's inside. These are stickers, they're tags. And then we have some washi stickers, which washi tape is, it's just a roll of tape that has printing on it so that you can just kind of go down the side of your page or card. And these are just stickers, and there are 45 of them in here. So, and they are all different on here. This is a subscription for a Sketchbox. I actually get this for my daughter. And I know she absolutely loves it. So every month our box comes just like this. This time I had a plastic cover over it, which was really nice. There's always art on the outside of the box, which I think is really inspiring. Makes them kind of strive to do a little bit more. So the box comes with adorable paper, tissue paper. It holds everything in it. And then every month there is a card that talks about, oh, we have two in here. It actually talks about what is in the box. It gives you a list by list, and then there's a spot on here where you can actually do like school online for art stuff. So this is really cool. There's always a picture of some type by some type, you know, some artist, and they always give you information on that artist. And these cards are really cute. They are laminated. You can kind of see the glare on there. so that you can actually put it in a picture frame. They're really beautiful. So this month we got 2 blender sticks, a sand and rubber eraser, artist tiles, which this is a type of paper that they can actually draw on. There's always a sticker in the box. This month actually just happened to be the one that said Sketchbox. A lot of times there are all different kinds of stickers for all different things, which is really neat. Got some awesome chameleon pencils. They are dual colored. Oops. Here's a bunch of other pencils here. We have, there's some Cretacolor. Mega color. So we have 2 of those. And then there are some other pencils here. These are by a different company. I'm trying to read the name on there, y'all. It's hard to see. And there's 3 different colors of those. And then we have an adorable sharpener. So I usually get these. They cost me about $40 total, and the last box we actually got some markers that are about $8 a piece, so that was really awesome that we actually got some really good stuff. The boxes are very well priced. So here's another subscription box that I get. I actually just subscribed to it. It's called the Succulent Studios. And it is a box that I get once a month. The difference between this box and some of the other boxes that I've gotten is that this box I actually pay for once a month, where the others I pay for a year at a time. So when you open up your succulent box, you do have your thank you, and you have a parent guide for your succulents. And it really is that. It tells you how to unbox them, how to pot them, about leaf dropping and stem snapping. You also will get 2 cards for each of the succulents that are in your box. These are the ones I've wanted forever. I really have wanted these for a long time. And then it tells you how they like to be taken care of and how to take care of them. So your box, when you unbox it, you actually just would pull this forward, and inside are your cute, adorable little succulents in a pot, and then you just take this piece off here and plant them in a larger pot. They'll stay good like this for about a week or 2. These are my babies. Look at those beautifuls in there. I can't wait to get them into a bigger pot. So this cost me about $16 a month. And if you would go to Lowe's and buy succulents, they would actually cost you about $8 or $9 per plant. So it kind of works out to be about the same. And soon you'll see a video of a succulent tapestry that I am planning on putting together. Thanks for visiting today, guys. All of the links are in the description below. Be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.